Welcome back. So the question here is disk rotating about its axis with angular speed omega naught is placed lightly. There is without any translational push on a perfectly frictionless table. The radius of the disk is capital R. What are the linear velocities of the points A, B, and C on the disk shown in figure 7.41? There is this figure. Will the disk roll in the direction indicated? There is this direction. Let the angular speed of the disk is omega, so the linear velocity can be written as v equals omega r. Now for point A, the magnitude of linear velocity is omega r and it is tangentially rightward. Now in case of point B, the magnitude linear velocity is omega r and its direction is tangentially leftward. In case of point C, the magnitude linear velocity is omega r by 2 and its direction is rightward. The disk cannot roll as the table is frictionless.